honestly, Richard, no, ako naniniwala ako na pag-usapin ng West Philippine Sea, dapat ang iboto talaga natin sa susunod na eleksyon by 2025. Traditional politicians or newcomer in the politics are those people who are really concerned for our position in the West Philippines. Dapat talaga natin tindigan to dahil bago tayo naging bansa, bago tayo nagkaroon ng independence, maraming buhay ng Pilipino ang ipinusta dito para magkaroon lang tayo ng isang independent, democratic country of our own where we can elect our own national leader. So, we really need to take care of our own sovereignty and patrimony as a nation. Ngayon, kung magbuboto ka naman ng ilang mga politiko na would undermine our own national interests, would undermine our own patrimony as a nation, parang we have forgotten what our national heroes risked and given to the Philippines. Kaya kung pilian lang talaga sa susunod na eleksyon,